Hey everybody, Justin Cena here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to increase your Shopify sales and your AOV, your average order value, with one simple Shopify app. You already have traffic and orders, but your cart isn't doing enough. We're going to jump right into it. And this is all about a massive uplift across your entire store with just one simple app. I'm going to teach you how to do it the exact right way. And if you want to increase your Shopify sales, if you want to increase your AOV, which pretty much every single store needs to do, you need to optimize the shopping cart. Super important, because it's the highest intent stage of buying. It's really the most important part of the entire conversion. It's the most important part of how you're going to get paid and make a profitable business. It's super important. And a real popular strategy for Shopify stores is to focus on slide cart drawers, to focus on cart stage upsells, features that increase conversion rate and AOV, things like progress bars and bundles and in-cart add-ons that are going to get customers to spend more. And this is great for you as a store owner because you don't even need to increase your traffic. You could just take advantage of the existing traffic and increase that average order value and increase conversion rate and increase sales and make a ton more money with the same exact traffic. And if you want to implement this, there are definitely some pain points that you might run into. There are no built-in cart upsells in Shopify. You need to use an app. There's no progress incentive bars. There's no dynamic cross-sells. All of these are extra features that you need to use with apps. And on top of that, redirecting customers to a separate cart page, this is what some of the other solutions are like. It really adds too much friction. It's going to lead to high cart abandonment rates. It's going to lead to low conversion rates. It's really the opposite of what we're trying to do here. We want to increase our conversion rate. We want to increase our average order value. And we want to make as much money as possible from our existing traffic. And a lot of merchants are spending tons of money monthly on 3, 4, 5 different apps that can do exactly what one app can do. All these features built into one super powerful app, one highly recommended Shopify app, and that's iCart. It's what I use. It's what I highly recommend. And you see the link directly below this video. We're going to go over the shoulder and I'll show you exactly how this works. And, if you're doing print on demand, if you're doing drop shipping, if you're doing a custom product, this is going to help you benefit immediately by increasing your average order value, increasing your sales, and increasing the amount of money in your pocket. So let's go over the shoulder and jump right into it. This is iCart, and it's a cart drawer, cart upsell app. It's got so many different features in one, and we'll be going over the shoulder. And I'll show you how you're going to be able to turn your cart into a true sales machine. There's 8+ revenue driving widgets, things like cart upsell, cart cross-sell, progress bars, product bundles, discounts, free gifts, cart pop-ups, so much more as well. You see a little bit of what it's going to look like, and we'll show you this inside of the Shopify app. It's really easy to use, and it's going to create things like urgency to help you increase your conversion rate, where you could have a progress bar to unlock something like free shipping or 10% off or a free product. They have different tiers. You could have pre-purchase upsells. You could have recommendations, and of course that built for Shopify badge, super important. We know that Shopify has kind of classified this as one of the best apps out there because it really has so many different features that help you increase your AOV and help you increase your sales. So we have all these different features, multiple cart types as well. You could have product bundles. You could personalize your cart design so it matches the look and feel of your brand, so everything just fits together. There's volume discounts, there's BOGO offers, and again, really all about maximizing conversions and average order value. And we'll go over the shoulder. I'll show you how to set up this in your store, and a lot that you can do with it. Here's a demo store over here, and you can see exactly how this works. And we'll just simply click Add to Cart, and you're going to see all of the different widgets that are available over here. We have a progress bar with 3-tier discounts. We have cart reservation bars, product upsells, buy more, save more, gift wrap, coupon codes. I mean, you literally see it all, and this is kind of the power of the iCart app. And all you need to do is press the install button. Got a free plan available with iCart, and we're going to go over the shoulder right now, and I'll show you more. So you can follow along. We'll go ahead and press the install button. This is going to bring us back into our Shopify store, where we're going to grant permission for iCart to basically set everything up. And we'll never need to look at any code or anything like that. You literally just press install, and it's going to get everything set up over here. Really powerful because, there's no technical setup in here. Once this is done loading, we'll be brought over into the dashboard. We're now in the dashboard here. We have a little bit of an onboarding here, and I want to give a great shout out to their support. Really highly available and always very helpful. You see that right there in the widget down there. But we're going to come over here and we're going to start our cart enhancements over here, and we'll click Let's Begin. It's going to basically walk us through the different setup processes and what we want to have in here. And you could always change this in settings. This is just kind of the onboarding here. It's going to ask us which theme to pick over here. You could do a live theme or you could do a preview theme, whatever you want. We're going to come over here and do adding things like a progress bar and a product upsell and a product recommendation. And you see all these other offers as well. You could have discounts or product bundles, right? Tons of different ways to customize this to match your goals and your business needs, right? It's very, very flexible. So maybe you only want to have product recommendations. That's fine. Maybe you only want to have discounts and bundles. That's fine, right? Totally up to you. And you see a little preview of how the widget is going to look. And, if you wanted, you could have all these different things right up there as well. So we'll go ahead with those and we'll click Set Up Your Cart Drawer. And again, really easy. There's not any technical skill required here. Basically, the app is doing everything for you when it comes to setting things up. And now this is going to look very similar to you because this is just like the Shopify theme editor. We have our own theme editor here for iCart. And we get to have different widgets in here. And remember, we selected the widgets that we wanted, like product upsell and progress bar, but we could also add any of these other widgets like product upsell and recommendation and bundle and discount. You could have birthday collector, which I think is really cool. And, you see it literally comes right over here. You get a little incentive for adding in a birthday, and this is super useful for things like email marketing. You could do surveying over here. You could have an image with text. You could have custom HTML. You could add a discount over here as well. You could have multiple checkout buttons, especially if this widget gets long, you'll be able to add the checkout button wherever you want. You have your stellar delivery date pickup here, and another easy thing to add in here, product bundle, right? Product recommendation, right? Really easy, really straightforward. What we want to do here again is turn our cart into a money-making asset. And we could literally just go back, and now we have all of our different options over here that you see. We have our progress bar. We have our cart items. Of course, this will be filled automatically. We have our checkout buttons down here. We have our product upsell as well, all set up right over here. And again, we could add widgets if we want. We can come under to general settings where we could take a look at different cart types. For example, cart pop-up or cart drawer. I recommend going with cart drawer. And you could customize everything over here like shopping cart text, cart header and text color. I mean, literally, we could change everything to whatever we want, right? I have a red and blue color scheme in my site, so I'll go ahead and set that up to match that and see some more. We could even change our background color if we wanted to change things around here and give it some more branding. I'll go with my colors again, so looks pretty good. We can go and change the size. We could change the background color. We could change the button style. You could change the icons. You literally have full control over everything. And once we like it, we're going to press save, and this is going to allow us to, of course, save the setup here for our cart upsell. So we'll close back out of here, and we've set up our enhancements. We've customized what we wanted to see. Now what we want to do is enable it. And this is really easy. This is just that app embed setting inside of your theme. We'll come over here and click Enable App, and it's going to bring us over into our Shopify theme editor. And on the left-hand side, you have that app embed section. You might have done this with some other apps in the past. We're going to take that. You see that iCart is now on, and this would be off, but we want to make sure that it's on, and we're going to make sure that we press save. So now it says go back to the app to validate changes, and again, we can just close out of here. And now you see that the entire cart, the iCart app, has been loaded. And you get free 100 orders for literally for free. All you need to do, come over here, approve the charges. This will turn this on, and it's really all about how many orders you have per month. That's going to base your billing, but you get the first 100 orders absolutely free. You'll see the power of this, and you saw how easy it is to set up, right? We have that cart set up now, and really it's just one part of this app. We could do things like a full cart, where you could have a full width cart page, and there's more space there, more real estate for us to put offers. You could try that pop-up instead of the drawer. You have all of these different styles here, and you could have multiple types at once. If you wanted to activate more over here, you could preview our cart at any time right inside here, seeing the different sections, seeing our color scheme implemented, seeing the widgets that we had selected, and at any time we can come over and customize, of course, either the full cart or the quick cart that we just saw before, and come in and add more features. I'll come over here and I say, okay, I want to add the birthday collector, and I'm going to add the birthday collector in here. And just like all the other widgets, you have options to customize things, and we can say, what's your birthday, and customize it like that, and save. So really, really easy to do this, and really, really feature rich. Other things that you'll see will be your analytics, right? This will start to fill up with all of your stats, like your revenue generated by the app, and things like overview and full cart conversion rate and individual widget rates over here, like impressions, click sales, revenue. So you could literally see exactly what's working. You could also change the date range on that as well. You've got your general settings over here inside of this app page. For example, we could do both types of carts here, full cart or quick cart. We have the quick cart being the drawer, but you could also change it to the pop-up. And again, all these different options. You could enable and disable the app over here as well. See pricing plan over here. This is going to be really all about how many orders you have per month, and you get those first 100 for free. You'll see your birthday lists over here when people start entering in their birthdays. You see the survey answers as well, because that's another feature inside of it. But really, for the most part, you're going to go and customize and build out that perfect cart, whether it's the full cart or the slide out drawer cart or even both, and then keep an eye on your analytics. Really kind of super straightforward and very powerful. So that was iCart, and as you saw, super, super easy to use, but also super highly recommended because it's an incredibly powerful app. Really easy to jump into it. If you feel overwhelmed by features, just start simple. Just first add the cart drawer, the progress bar, the product recommendations, then later on you could add bundles, surveys, birthday collectors. Really easy to do. That's going to help you maximize conversions, maximize sales, and increase your average order value, your AOV. Highly recommended. You see the link directly below this video. You can jump right into it. All you need to do, again, follow along step by step like I showed you in this video. And if you have any questions whatsoever, please don't hesitate to leave a comment. I'll do my best to answer each and every single one of them personally in the comments below this video. But otherwise, I appreciate you watching this. I hope this helps you build that massive Shopify store of your dreams, and I'll see you in my next video.